rough out west. Thankfully, we haven't had the dry conditions here, just the heat.
That's right. And fortunately, some rain's on the way, hopefully to give us some relief from this intense heat today. Temperatures will soar close to 100. This will prove to be one of the hottest days we've had all year long. That's now prompting heat advisories. This heat advisory is through Wednesday. So what is a heat advisory exactly? Well, heat advisory means that your heat index, that's when you take into account the humidity plus the air temperature. It feels more like 105 and even exceeding that, close to 110 for any of the counties highlighted in orange that you see here. Now, let me stress, just because your county may not be highlighted in orange, Jefferson, Shelby County, that does not mean we're escaping the heat magically. It just means that the criteria is not being met for this particular advisory. So keep in mind dangerous heat across all of central Alabama today. What will it feel like outside? So I've kind of broken down what the highs will be and then corresponding heat index values. So high in Birmingham, 98, same with Tuscaloosa, Anniston, I'm forecasting 96. But when you couple that with the humidity, here's how it will feel this afternoon. Birmingham will feel more like 101 to 103. Tuscaloosa, now remember Tuscaloosa County is under that heat advisory. Their heat index value will soar 103 to 107 today, and it will feel more like 99 to 103 in Anniston. Now, 90-degree days in June, not necessarily out of the ordinary. On average, we should be seeing 11. Last year, we had 9, but we're above average, and remember, June isn't even over for this year, and we've already beat last year's record of 9. So that just means that we are going to continue with that string. If 13's already been met yesterday, today will make 14 days. And you can do the math. Any more days that we add on to this, it's just padding to that total. Let's start out looking at our Storm Track Tower cam in Tuscaloosa, where temperatures are sitting at 77 this morning. Winds are calm, and we could really use a summer breeze to help mix out some of this heat. Temperatures area-wide low to mid-70. Gadsden reporting 71 at this hour. It's going to be in the oppressive range for the comfort scale. Nothing comfortable about the forecast today. Hot and sticky. It will be a sizzler out there. A dry start this morning, although this dome of high pressure will slowly begin to break down by midweek. That will provide us some late week rain chances. Today, I'm only mentioning a very small chance of rain, very isolated in nature. Not a lot like yesterday. It's the case of the haves and the have-nots. Some folks had the rain, some didn't. Some heard the rumbles of thunder and were hopeful for the wet weather but didn't see it. That's exactly how we'll see today. Just a couple of sprinkles here and there. A thunderstorm is possible, and temperatures today swelling into the upper 90s. The next few days, that string of 90s continues, but look what happens by the end of the week. Unsettled weather pattern brings us rain, and with the rain and clouds comes a bit of a cool down. We're looking at mid-80s for your weekend. That is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Here's